But even for everyday issues, you know, you have a problem with a warranty, company won't stand behind it. You want to buy or sell a home, you need an attorney. You want to rent a piece of property, you need an attorney to review that contract. The contract is standard for the person that gave it to you, but now we want to make it standard for you. So your attorney will review that contract, tell you what to put in, what to take out, so that it now becomes standard for you, and it evens the playing field.
So when you got involved in Legal Shield, that's what you do, and that's what you concentrate on now?
Right. And I basically market this all over the United States and Canada. I have accounts all over the United States and Canada. I have individual accounts. I have group accounts where I go in and offer this to employees as a voluntary employee benefit. It's been proven through studies that companies that offer this to their employees have reduced absenteeism, because the employee doesn't have to take off work to figure out how, what, when, and where. It increases productivity. The employee is still working because our attorney is handling the situation for him. It gives them peace of mind. And it not only covers the employee, it covers their spouse or significant other and dependent children.
So if someone has a case and they go to one of these attorneys, they got to pay the attorney their fees separate. Is that how it works?
If you're sued as a member,
Right.
our membership includes representing you. If you have a lawsuit and then become a member, you pay a reduced rate. That rate is dependent on the type of lawsuit you have.
Right.
And of course, if you want to sue somebody, you pay a reduced rate. But the most important thing is, if you're sued as a member, we will represent you, and there's minimum costs.
That's the point. So the cost, the key thing here is we got authentic attorneys. That's number one.
The average attorney has 22 years experience, our
Excellent.
average attorney.
And the cost is going to definitely be less than what you pay a regular attorney.
Absolutely. But remember, the majority of our services there's no charge for. For example, there's no charge for reviewing contracts. There's no charge for writing legal letters. If you need a letter to a company or an individual, you're going to have a more positive resolution if that letter comes from an attorney or you write it yourself.
Yes.
There's no charge for those services. We're going to do your will, living will, power of attorney, advance directive. There's no charge for that. If you're unfortunate enough to get a moving traffic violation, we're going to represent you in court. There's no charge for that. Uncontested divorce, separation, name change, adoption, annulment. There's no charge for that.